Hey everybody, it's Jenny and I am back with you today to share how I'm going to plan this week in my mini vertical happy planner that I'm obsessed with. Every week comes out like magic. It's pretty much the perfect planner for me. So we'll go ahead and we'll flip over to the first week in April. I'm going to be using this new accessory book, the Daydreamer one. And this one you can get at Hobby Lobby or JoAnn when they decide to put those out on the shelves. But I have a few activities this week. Actually, that's not fair. Like my Saturday is like insanely booked and the rest of the week I think there's like 2 or 3 things. But it's cool. We'll get it done. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and decorate. Now, I haven't spent a whole lot of time getting to know this sticker book. It's just kind of, I don't know, it's not my favorite one, which was why I wanted to choose it in the first place, which probably sounds kind of weird, but yeah, that's where I was at. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to look through really quickly, and then I think that I'm going to, ooh, look, dentist stickers. I actually have an orthodontist appointment to put down here. So, all right, I think I've got it figured out. So what I'm going to do is I am going to, for Wednesday, I'm going to combine both a decorative and a functional. And you're thinking, what? How on earth are you going to do that? Well, go with me here, okay? So we're going to put the cute little hexies because, I mean, why wouldn't you want to? And we are going to, okay. So remember, we've got a stripe already, so I'm not going to add another stripes. So I'm not going to use that one. So I'm going to use the dots. And then I have a floral, so I'm going to use the floral. So it's kind of that thing that you want to mix up your patterns. And the beauty of it is that they already do that for you. The Happy Planner already does that. See, they give you exactly what you need. It's just then for you to go ahead and choose those things. So this is where I will notate the baseball game, but if you'll recall from last week, if you watched, I'm not going to write my plans. I'm just going to do a before the pen for you, which is crazy because I'm not a before the pen kind of girl, but we're going to do it anyway. I mean, why not? Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and pull out the appointment sticker because we actually have an orthodontist appointment. And so I'm going to add that right here. And then it's part of that cluster and it's super cute. Am I right? But you've got decoration and you've got function. I mean, how's that? That's amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and now I'm going to find just something so pretty. And I think what it's going to be is it's going to be a box. And then we're going to add one of the girls because I really do love, for whatever reason, I'm just really been excited by the girls recently. And that probably sounds kind of weird just to say I'm kind of excited by the girls, but I've just really been enjoying them a lot. And so I'm going to use her in here. So I'm trying to find something else that will sort of fit. I was thinking a smaller little box with a floral pattern, but you never know if I'm going to be able to find that or not. So I might be able to add, let's see. You know what? Let's go ahead. We'll use this aqua. It's super cute. We're going to put it right here. Then, not done yet. We're going to find my girl, the Daydreamer, and we're going to add her because she's cute and she's just fabulous. So see, we've got the first part of my triangle, am I right? So I'm going to probably go with down here for the rest of my triangle. If I were a guesser, which I guess I'm kind of a guesser, am I right? So now I have big Saturday, 4 baseball games. And so I'm looking for not necessarily bullet point stickers, but so for example, I could use these 2 hearts if I could find something that was similar or the same. But it's important that they be like the same scale since they're going to be repeating. I don't want them to be all super random, but enter the bullet points. So we're going to go ahead and just do those instead. So I think that we will start with lavender, and then we will go to maybe the corally color. Maybe you don't call this coral, maybe it's just me. I'm okay with that. Then I think we will go to the light blue because I'm a fan of that. And then we're going to end up with the green. Now, the last thing that I want to add, well actually I have 2 more things. I have a decorative element that I want to add down here, and then I have 1 more thing I need to add right here. So I've already got an idea for both things, so let me find it. Okay, so these long stickers that I think are meant to go like this and then cover up a couple of boxes of the like the classic size planner, I'm going to go ahead, put it all the way over here because it's cute, and why wouldn't I want to do that? And then I'm going to, well, add this little guy. Then I will use my scissors to trim it off. It is an activity sticker, by the way. Like I am going to actually write something in here. This isn't the decorative element, but I still wanted to add this because I didn't need all of the room. So I'm going to do this and then add the rest of it at the bottom. And I think it's going to be adorable because of that. So then what we're going to do, the last thing, is that I'm going to go and I'm going to find one of those really pretty florals that are in here. Though these are not my favorite florals of the Happy Planner. There are so many beautiful florals, and these are gorgeous to be sure, but they are not my favorite. All right, so we're going to add these guys right here, and then I'm going to trim this. I'm going to put it back in the book because I can see that I could maybe use that for something else on another spread. So you see right there, I've just added it back to the book. And then I'm going to take this other little cluster, you'll see it right here, and I'm just going to add it right there. See how cute that is? I think that's pretty darn fun. So then that's my week, and if you'll recall, I use this one for on the go. It goes in my bag, and I don't put my to-do list. Now, for example, I might jot down like buy bread, buy milk, whatever right here because I have an empty spot, but I don't add, you know, like, oh, wash laundry or something like that to this planner. This is just for keeping me on track when I leave the house. So thanks so much, guys, for stopping by and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.